Today we're going to look at the surprising result of frying dry Orbeez. Water beads, off-brand Orbeez, approximately 50,000 of them in this one little container, it says.
Wow.
Today, we're gonna be heating these up, and we've heated Orbeez before, but these ones, we will not fill with water first. Here's the basic idea. We've seen and done a lot of different experiments done with Orbeez, but after realizing I'd never seen them cooked or heated while dry, I wanted to try it out. We're gonna show you today the surprising result. We want to give a big shout out to today's video sponsor, Tennis Clash, a free mobile PvP tennis sports game that's super fun.
It's free to play and available for both Android and iOS.
Yeah. Helps you do the actual grunting sounds. Guys, this awesome game, Tennis Clash, has become a massive worldwide hit with more than 10 million players worldwide. Check out the crazy number of ratings in the app stores.
You can play live one-on-one matches against real players in the world's most famous tennis arenas. We've got it available for free with the links down in the description.
And by using our TKOR links, you'll get 200 gems and 500 gold free at the start. One of the coolest features in the game is the option to play casual matches with your real-life friends. Aha!
That wasn't fair, that wasn't fair. I don't tend to talk as much when I'm playing games, I just tend to yell a whole lot. You can both download the game, then you connect your game accounts to Facebook.
Once that's done, you'll see your friends listed under the Friends button in the upper right side of the home screen. Then you can throw down in some epic tennis matches against each other.
Finding a match is fast, and the ranking system brings players from your same difficulty level.
Also, the control system is simple. If I want to play it chill, all I have to do is swing my finger in the direction that I want to shoot. The speed of my swipe determines how far and fast I'm going to shoot the ball.
But if you want to go for winning PvP matches, you'll want to strategically move the player, which can be done by simply tapping on the screen where you want it to move.
That way you can anticipate shots and get yourself positioned in the right spot.
What I love about this game is that I can play with different characters and decide what ability I want to focus on, forehand, backhand, or agility. Oh, that wasn't fair, that was a cheap shot. No.
Yeah. We want to let everyone know that 5 of you can win a $50 Amazon voucher from Tennis Clash. Write your game ID in the comments and they will choose winners ASAP.
Download Tennis Clash now for free in the links in the description and get 200 gems, 500 gold just for supporting the TKOR channel.
And if that's not enough, enter the code TheKingofRandom here to receive an extra 100 gems in-game.
Good luck and we'll see you all on the court.
So here we go. We've got some of our Orbeez in our pan here.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna turn on the heat and keep them stirring. And we're gonna see what happens to me. I'm just gonna try and get a bunch of these in the middle. The pot that I'm using is slightly sloped away from the middle, and Orbeez being quite round, they don't like to stay there, but I'm gonna try. And then I'm just gonna let them heat up without stirring too much. I'll start stirring again later, but I'll give it a couple minutes like this.
Whoa.
I hear things happening.
That's so cool. So these tiny little air bubbles inside these things are popping open like popcorn.
So as you can see and hear, the Orbeez don't just pop, they pop extremely violently, and it's really, really loud. I'm almost having to yell over this. And I'm just keeping them right in the middle where the heat is highest, and it just goes crazy. Like, you can see how much it's all moving just from them expanding and ballooning. And then when they actually start to burst, of course, they go flying violently out, all the way out of the pot, quite a bit. This is so exciting in terms of what's happening that I was surprised that no one had discovered or posted about this before. I didn't find any other videos of this being done. Some variation in which ones seem to react in what ways. The oranges and yellows balloon up a lot. The blues don't seem to balloon, they just sort of suddenly pop into this popcorn sort of texture. Rice Krispies got nothing on that.
So these are absolutely bizarre. You know what they remind me of is that sort of the plastic bubbles that you can blow, the unpoppable bubbles.
Right.
Ah! Okay, that's neat, that's fun. They just pop now so easily. That's very satisfying. That's really entertaining. I love this, Nate. This is cool.
Okay, I have 5 Orbeez right here, and I'm gonna start by putting, it's hard to see because 2 of them are clear. In fact, I'm gonna get rid of those. In fact, I'm gonna get rid of the yellow ones too.
Yeah,
because those might be hard to see in the oil. So I'm just gonna select 5.
Okay.
Got a red, blue, green, orange. And I don't know, they might just fry and not go anywhere. Okay, one of the blue ones expanded.
Oh, there we go.
So expanded, but didn't really explode. Oh, and the red one just, all right. So the green one like moved a little bit.
But that's about it.
Let's throw a bunch in though.
Okay.
That's plenty.
Good, yes, good.
I think there like may have been some residual moisture in them that just all left.
That's so strange.
So again, the orange ones.
It is all the orange ones first. And I'm glad we've got that lid on. It is just spattering
So
oil
much
everywhere.
oil on it, yeah. Starting to see the reds go. I think that means everything except the greens has hit temp. The greens, for whatever reason, are just very resistant.
It's funny from this angle, all I'm seeing is just oil splattering up. I can't even see the Orbeez anymore.
It sounds like we're cooking something delicious. And it smells like frying oil, so that part's good too. All right, I'm gonna take it off, and then after it stops popping, we can take the lid off and take a look inside.
I like it.
I do have one other method though that I want to try. It reminded me of popcorn. And so I have a hot air popcorn maker that I've modified to have a 1.5 foot tall glass chimney on it.
Have you ever seen that game, this little elephant that blows out butterflies and you catch it with a net? This looks like that.
I did do a quick test with the popcorn maker, and the non-expanded Orbeez were light enough weight that just the air flowing through would just throw them out. That's why I have this on here. I haven't tested it with the glass on here, so there's a couple unknowns. One, if there will be enough airflow to just blow them out the top. Very possible.
Okay.
2, if the glass will survive the heat.
You don't know if this is tempered glass?
I don't think it is tempered glass.
Oh boy.
All right, so just gonna take some Orbeez. That's a good amount. Okay, so as soon as I plug it in, it's gonna turn on the fan, and then it will be heating up. The fan might just blow a bunch of them out.
So far, so okay.
Oh, that's just what I was hoping to see. So now, the question is, well, 1, if the glass will survive, but 2, if they get enough heat that they start to pop, will they then have a low enough density that they will blow up out the top, so only the puffed ones will go out, much like actual popcorn in the machine. Oh, it's already,
wow.
I hear them going. Some of them are popping and they're escaping. This is working great.
Oh,
look at those little balloons floating up at the top.
What? No, what?
Yeah. So again, the yellows and oranges consistently go first. Oh, look at that.
And it expands so big.
I dropped it and it fell slowly and then bounced. Don't stick. There you go. But it like falls slowly too because it's so lightweight. Although what we are seeing, those yellows and oranges that balloon so much better, those are escaping. Like we mostly have yellow and orange out on the counter.
Yep.
Very few others have escaped out. They don't pop as much or as soon, so they may still pop more coming up. Here's our cup of Orbeez that we put in some hot water so it absorbed quickly. And for the most part, they look normal, but they're all full of tiny little bubbles.
Yeah, they look like they shattered first. And they're not perfectly round. They're not done expanding, so that's one of the reasons they're not perfectly round. It's a very cool shatter effect. I like that. And this really does look like we just threw Fruity Pebbles all over the kitchen.
It does.
It really does.
Like they're rounder Fruity Pebbles. But
yeah, little tiny Fruity Pebbles.
Yep. Anything else you'd like to see us try with Orbeez, let us know down in the comments, of course, and maybe we'll give it a shot. This has been fun. If there's anything else you'd like to see us throw in our modified popcorn maker, also let us know.
New toy.
Until it breaks. It's kind of fragile, but it's good for now. So yeah, let us know. Guys, that's it for today, but we've always got new great stuff coming out. Hit that box right there to check out one of our other great videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.